welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. Today I'm not working in the workshop, I'm working outside and I'm fitting an outside lamp to the workshop. Now to control the lamp I'm fitting this PIR sensor. This is the sensor, looks like that. It comes in this small box and inside you get the back plate that fits to the wall with the wiring diagram inside. Get the connectors inside the back of that, and that fits onto there, and the sensor itself, which is adjustable up and down, and the settings underneath. Now it comes with instructions on how to fit it. It's basically 3 wires, power, negative, positive, and a wire to your light. So let's go outside, see how we fit it. I'd like to fit a PIR lamp at the top of the workshop roof. The reason why I want to fit the lamp there is sometimes I come out in the yard here to empty the dustbin and it's dark, so I need a torch. So I thought if I put a PIR lamp on the side of the workshop, it'd light this up as I walk around the corner. I could see what I was doing. Now I want to fit the lamp at the top of the apex overlooking the bins. And you can see there I have a problem because I have the boiler flue and that gives off warm air to the atmosphere, but if I fit a PIR above there it will interfere with the PIR and it will detect the warm air and switch the lamp on. And that means the lamp will be going on and off for most of the night. This is the LED lamp I want to fit. Now on this one I've already put the wire in, and that's the bracket, so I need to drill 2 holes to hold the bracket and 1 hole through the wall for the wire. And this is the sensor I'm going to fit. The wire from the light just comes in and then power comes in as well, just 3 connections. To the sensor you have 4 wires, the live in and the neutral in, and then a neutral to the lamp and a live to the lamp, which is switched on by the sensor. As I said before, this is a separate PIR sensor because the flue giving off warm air in front of the light would set one off if that was fitted to the light. Now on the bottom you have 2 levers. One adjusts the time that the light is on and the other one adjusts the light level when the PIR switches the lamp on. You can also adjust the sensor up and down to get the position you want. Here's the lamp fitted to the wall. I've used 2 expandable raw plugs with hexagon heads, and I've fitted the wire on the bottom which goes through a hole in the wall, and that's filled with some mastic to stop any insects getting in. You can see the hot water vapour passing in front of the lamp from the flue, and this would switch the lamp on if the PIR was fitted to the lamp. I want to fit the PIR sensor at the top in the corner of the wall on this side to be away from the flue's hot air. I've fitted the back plate to the wall using 2 screws and raw plugs. The screws and raw plugs come in the kit. Now the wiring is simple. You have a live and neutral on the top left, no earth. And you have the neutral and live to the lamp on the bottom left. On the right, those wires are already fitted to the sensor. Then you have 2 screws that tighten the sensor onto the brackets that I've already fitted on the wall, and the wire comes out on the right hand bottom side. So that's the sensor fitted on the wall. I have just filled the hole with some mastic where the wire goes through the wall to stop any insects getting into the brickwork. Now it's time to see if the lamp works and whether my wiring was correct. I'm just moving past the sensor and it came on. So that seems to work okay. I can see the bins easy, plenty of light in that area. So that's another job done. Oh well, thanks for watching. Hope that was interesting. Hope it was useful. And we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.